And this is South Avenue here in Ridley Township. The only thing traveling on South Avenue are the plows. It's a lot of snow out here. Right there, there's a trash truck trying to remove the snow. Nice job. Here's a car. Ridley Township. Whoa, never. Well, it's a lot of snow out here today. There's the YMCA. And here's the trucks coming down the road, trying to get all that snow. There's some cars trying to come down. Okay, Ridley Township. Snow is everywhere.